everyone, welcome back to your channel. So in this video we are going to provide you one mock test और इस mock test में होंगे 150 question. There will be no negative marking and each questions carry 1 mark. ठीक है, जितने भी आपके स्कोर आते हैं प्लीज़ उसको कमेंट करो. ठीक है, बाकी गर्ल्स के साथ आपको शेयर करना है क्योंकि आपको नहीं पता कि इस वीडियो को बनाने में हमें कितना टाइम लगा है. ऑलमोस्ट 8 to 10 आवर्स लगे हैं. ठीक है, तो प्लीज़ थोड़ा भी अगर आप एफर्ट्स को अप्रिशिएट कर सकते हैं तो वो आप शेयर करके कर सकते हैं. ठीक है, तो प्लीज़ बाकी गर्ल्स के साथ शेयर करो. जो क्वेश्चन गलत है उसको कमेंट में हमें बताओ क्योंकि यार ऑब्वियस है 150 क्वेश्चन है, एक या दो क्वेश्चन गलत हो सकते हैं, है ना. तो जो क्वेश्चन समझ नहीं आता वो भी आप कमेंट करके हमें बता सकते हैं.
Our first question is find the synonym of the given word efficacious. Options are as follow: A. Voracious, B. Effective, C. Audacious or D. Important. Efficacious का मतलब होता है producing the desired result. So the correct answer is option B, effective. Efficacious का synonym हो जाएगा effective. Now what is the meaning of voracious? Voracious का मतलब होता है eating or wanting large amount of food. Large amount of food. So efficacious का सिनोनिम था effective. Voracious का मतलब था eating और wanting large amount of food. Audacious का मतलब होता है bold या फिर daring. And important का मतलब होता है without enough power to influence a situation. हिंदी में इसका मतलब होता है प्रभावहीन. ठीक है. Our next question is choose the correctly spelled word. So the options are as follow. The word is connoisseur. Connoisseur का मतलब होता है a person who knows a lot about art, good food and music. ऐसा पर्सन जिसको गुड फूड, आर्ट और म्यूजिक के बारे में बहुत ज़्यादा नॉलेज हो उसे हम बोलते हैं कॉनेसर. इसको हिंदी में हम बोलते हैं पारखी. ठीक है. सो द करेक्ट स्पेलिंग ऑफ कॉनेसर इज ऑप्शन बी. आवर नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज one who has the art of speaking in such a way that the sound seems to come from another place or person is known as what? Options are as follow. Correct answer is option C, ventriloquist. Let me show the picture of ventriloquist. This is the picture of ventriloquist. ठीक है, आपको दिख रहा है कि आपको लगेगा कि ये वॉइस जो है ये इस पर्सन से आ रही है, बट एक्चुअली में ये जो पपेट है ये नहीं बोलता है बल्कि ये पर्सन बोलता है. तो यही है वेंट्रोलॉक्विस्ट, जिसमें आपको एक इल्यूजन होता है कि ये पर्सन बोल रहा है, ये पपेट बोल रहा है, बट एक्चुअली में ये नहीं बोलता है. और कौन बोलता है? ये दूसरा पर्सन बोलता है. ठीक है. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज टू फ्री somebody from all blame. It is a one-word substitution question. Options are as follow: A. Highbrow, B. Exonerate, C. Escapism or D. Henpeck. So what is the meaning of henpeck? Henpeck का मतलब होता है ऐसा आदमी जो कि वुमेन के कंट्रोल में हो. So a man who is controlled by woman, generally wife. ठीक है. एस्केपिज्म का मतलब होता है एन एक्टिविटी दैट help you to avoid or forget unpleasant things. सो ऐसी एक्टिविटी करना जिससे कि आप अपने दुख दर्द भूल जाएं, उसे हम बोलते हैं एस्केपिज्म। हाईब्रो का मतलब होता है समथिंग रिलेटेड टू सीरियस और इंटरेस्टिंग मैटर। एंड एक्सोनरेट का मतलब होता है टू फ्री somebody फ्रॉम ऑल ब्लेम। सो द करेक्ट आंसर इज ऑप्शन बी, एक्सोनरेट। ओके, सो हाईब्राउ का मतलब होता है समथिंग रिलेटेड टू सीरियस और इंटरेस्टिंग मैटर। एक्सोनरेट का मतलब होता है टू फ्री somebody फ्रॉम ऑल ब्लेम। एस्केपिज्म का मतलब होता है an activity that helps you to avoid or forget unpleasant thing। and henpeck का मतलब होता है एक ऐसा आदमी जो कि अपनी वाइफ के कंट्रोल में हो। ठीक है, our next question is who, person who damages public property is known as, options are as follow: A, cynosure, B, demagogue, C, epicure or D, vandal। सी, सबसे पहले साइनेश्योर का मतलब क्या होता है? साइनेश्योर का मतलब होता है अ पर्सन who is center of attraction। अगर आपके कॉलेज या स्कूल में कोई सेलिब्रिटी आ जाए तो वो क्या होगा? साइनेश्योर हो जाएगा। क्या होगा? वो सेंटर ऑफ अट्रैक्शन होगा। नेक्स्ट इज डिमेगॉग। इसका मतलब होता है अ पॉलिटिकल लीडर हु सीक सपोर्ट बाय अपीलिंग टू डिजायर ऑफ ऑर्डिनरी पीपल रादर देन बाय यूजिंग रैशनल और आर्ग्यूमेंट। ठीक है, एंड एपिक्योर का मतलब होता है अ पर्सन who enjoy high quality food। ठीक है, देन वैंडल का मतलब होता है अ पर्सन हु डैमेजेस प्रॉपर्टी। सो द करेक्ट आंसर इज ऑप्शन डी, वैंडल। सो वैंडल इज अ पर्सन हु डैमेजेस पब्लिक प्रॉपर्टी। Our next question is select the alternative which is the best substitute of the phrase fear of phobia। The options are as follow: A, arsenphobia, B, astrophobia, C, astrophobia, and D, arenophobia। So the correct answer is option A, arsenphobia. It means fear of fire. Next, astrophobia. What does astrophobia means? It means fear of thunder and lightning. What does astrophobia means? Astrophobia means fear of star and space. It also means fear of aliens. What does arenophobia means? It means fear of men. So the correct answer for fear of fire is option A, arsonophobia. Okay. Our next question is select the word similar in meaning of the word given: congregation. Options are as follow: A, discussion, B, attention, C, contraction, and D, assembly. So congregation means a group of people assemble for religious worship. So the correct answer for the word congregation is option D, assembly. Our next question is out of the four alternatives, choose the one which can be substituted for the given words or sentences. The art of preaching or writing sermons. Options are as follow: A, homiletic, B, hone, C, holster, D, hubris। So the correct answer is A, homiletic। hone का मतलब होता है शार्पन करना हॉल्स्टर का मतलब होता है अ डिवाइस विच इज यूज्ड फॉर होल्डिंग अ हैंडगन। हैंडगन को रखने की जो वो डिवाइस होती है उसे हम बोलते हैं हॉल्स्टर, ठीक है, ताकि कुछ ज़रूरत आने पर जल्दी से निकाल सकें। आपने ये पुलिस वालों के पास देखी होगी। देन ह्यूब्रिस का मतलब होता है somebody being too proud। हिंदी में इसे बोलते हैं हेकड़ीबाज। Our next question is choose the one which can be substituted for the given words or sentences. Harsh criticism. Options are as follow: A. Opprobrium, B. Officious, C. Perfunctory, and D. Opprobation. So the correct answer is opprobrium. Opprobrium का मतलब होता है harsh criticism. Then officious का मतलब क्या होता है? Officious का मतलब होता है एक ऐसा पर्सन जो कि हर वक्त रेडी रहता है किसी भी दूसरे पर्सन को एडवाइस करने के लिए और ऑर्डर देने के लिए, ठीक है। तो अ पर्सन हु इज रेडी टू टेल other people what to do and he's ready to give orders. सो व्हाट डज परफंक्ट्री मीन्स? परफंक्ट्री मतलब होता है एक ऐसा काम जो कि आप बहुत जल्दी कर देते हैं बिना किसी इंटरेस्ट के। अ वर्क विच इज डन क्विकली एज अ ड्यूटी विदाउट इंटरेस्ट। एंड व्हाट डज अप्रोबेशन मीन? अप्रोबेशन का मतलब होता है अप्रूवल या फिर प्रेज, तारीफ, ठीक है। Next question is, in the following question, the sentence given with the blank is to be filled with an appropriate word. Select the correct alternative out of the four and indicate it by selecting the appropriate option. The sentence is, a drought caused agriculture production to dash 11% in 1995, driving up food prices and retarding all overall economic growth. Options are as follow: A. Partake, B. Pulsate, C. Plummet, and D. Perforate. C. What does partake means? Partake means join in, ठीक है। जैसे किसी चीज़ में आप क्या करते हैं, पार्टिसिपेट करते हैं, तो पार्टी को आप ऐसे याद कर सकते हैं कि किसी भी चीज़ में आप पार्टिसिपेट करते हैं। पार्टिसिपेट एंड पार्टेक एक जैसे वर्ड है, तो ज्वाइन इसका मतलब होता है किसी चीज़ में प्रतिभाग करना, ठीक है। देन पल्सेट का मतलब होता है टू एक्सपैंड एंड कंट्रैक्ट रिदमिकली। देन परफोरेट का मतलब क्या होता है? परफोरेट का मतलब होता है पियर्स एंड मेक होल्स। And what does plummet means? Plummet means to fall quickly and suddenly. सो यहाँ पे आपको क्या लगता है कौन सा वर्ड होगा? सो द करेक्ट आंसर इज ऑप्शन सी, प्लमेट, क्योंकि यहाँ पे बोल रखा है कि अ ड्रॉट कॉस्ट एग्रीकल्चर प्रोडक्शन टू 11% इन 1995। तो जो ड्रॉट था उसकी वजह से क्या हुआ कि एग्रीकल्चर का प्रोडक्शन क्या हो गया, अचानक से क्या हो गया, बहुत ही ज़्यादा गिर गया, और उससे क्या हुआ, फूड प्राइसेस और इकोनॉमिक ग्रोथ क्या हो गई, बहुत ज़्यादा स्लो हो गई, रिटार्ड हो गई। सो यहाँ पे क्या हो जाएगा, प्लमेट हो जाएगा। ऑप्शन सी इज़ द करेक्ट आंसर। Our next question is based on spelling. So this word is pertinacious. You have to find the correct spelling. So the correct answer is option C, pertinacious, कि ये spelling होती है, ठीक है। और pertinacious का मतलब होता है holding firmly to an action or an opinion, ठीक है। इसके synonyms हो जाएंगे persistent and determined। Our next question is choose the word which is opposite of the given word jettison. जेटिसन का मतलब होता है थ्रो, थ्रो या फिर ड्रॉप, ड्रॉप समथिंग। तो इसके एंटोनिम हो जाएगा रिटेन। ठीक है। Our next question is based on sentence improvement. So the sentence is the fishermen are fishing in the sea from sunrise and will continue to do so until sunset. Options are as follow: A. Have fished. B. Have been fishing. C. Were fishing. Or D. No improvement. तो ये जो सेंटेंस है ये प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट कंटिन्यूस टेंस में है, तो यहाँ पर आंसर होगा हैव बीन फिशिंग। यहाँ पर आप देख रहे हैं द फिशर आर फिशिंग, यहाँ पे होना चाहिए था द फिशर हैव बीन फिशिंग, यहाँ पे हैव बीन फिशिंग आना चाहिए था। यहाँ पे फिशिंग इन द सी फ्रॉम सनराइज एंड विल कंटिन्यू टू डू सो अंटिल सनसेट। Our next question is choose the correct alternative for meet them by chance. Options are as follow: A. Come across. B. Come through. C. Come round. And D. No improvement. So the correct answer is A. Come across. Come across का मतलब होता है meet them by chance. Our next question is based on finding the error. Sentence is she usually does not leave for work until she finishes all her household work. Options are as follow: A. Finishes. B. Has finished. C. Had finished. Or D. No improvement. So the given sentence is in simple present tense. तो यहाँ पर finished की जगह finishes आना चाहिए था. So the correct answer is option A. Finishes. Our next question is also based on error. Question is I have not finished to paint the door. Options are as follow: A. Painting. B. The paint of. C. The painting. Or D. No improvement. So यहाँ पर paint की जगह painting आना चाहिए था. ठीक है. Our next question is based on finding the error. I prefer to write than to walk. इसमें आपको एरर बताना है. गाइस हम हर क्वेश्चन में आपको एक्सप्लेनेशन नहीं बता सकते क्योंकि आज हमको आपको 150 क्वेश्चंस बताने हैं. तो अगर हम आपको हर क्वेश्चन में एक्सप्लेनेशन बताएंगे तो वीडियो बहुत लंबी हो जाएगी, 2-3 घंटे की हो जाएगी. अगर आपको कोई डाउट है तो आप कमेंट सेक्शन में बता सकते हैं. उसके लिए हम आपके लिए सेपरेट एक वीडियो बना देंगे. ठीक है. सो द ऑप्शंस फॉर द क्वेश्चन इज A. Ride to walk. B. Riding then walking. C. Riding to walking. Or D. No improvement. So the correct answer is option C. Riding to walking. Our next question is what does it mean talk through one's hat? Options are as follow: 1. Talk good points. 2nd. To talk secretly. 3rd. Talk positively. Or 4th. Talk nonsense. So the correct answer is option 4. Talk nonsense. Talk through one's hat का मतलब होता है talk nonsense. Our next question is what does it mean throw in the towel? Options are as follow: 1st, make all possible efforts. 2nd, using any means. 3rd, accept defeat. And 4th, ignore others. So the correct answer is option 3, accept defeat. Throw in the towel का मतलब होता है defeat को accept कर लेना. Our next question is based on finding the error. Sentence is he was so inquisitive that he rose many questions in the class. Options are as follow: A. He was so inquisitive. B. That he rose many questions. That he rose. C. Questions in the class. Or D. No error. तो आपको बताना है कि error कहाँ पर होगा. So the correct answer is option B. That he rose many questions. यहाँ पर रोज की जगह रेज्ड होना चाहिए था क्योंकि रोज का मतलब होता है गेट अप. Our next question is based on error. Sentence is neither Ram nor Sham has come. Options are as follow: A. Have. B. Had. C. Have been. Or D. No improvement. So the correct answer option D. No improvement. Our next question is based on article. Our question is डैश माउंट एवरेस्ट इज द हाईएस्ट पीक इन द वर्ल्ड. इसमें आपको आर्टिकल फिल करना है. ऑप्शंस आर एज फॉलो: ए द, बी एंड, सी अ, और डी नो आर्टिकल. So the correct answer is option D, no article. Our next question is based on article. Dash India is the largest democracy. Options are A, B, the, C, and, or D, no article. So the correct answer is D, no article. Our next question is Dash Pacific Ocean is the largest ocean. Options are as follow: A, the, B, and, C, a, or D, no article. So the correct answer is option A, the. Our next question is, in the following question out of the four alternative, select the alternative which best expresses the meaning of the idiom or phrase hold a brief. Options are as follow: A, to defend someone, B, to take a break, C, to admire someone, or D, to get profit. So the correct answer is option A, to defend someone. Our next question is, he might not like to see his winnings swallowed up, but by law he is dashed to hand it over. Options are as follow: A, ruffled, B, busy, C, obliged, or D, stifled. So the correct answer is option C, obliged. Our next question is, in this question you have to find out the opposite of the given word. The word is evanescent. Options are as follow: A, eternal, B, fleeting, C, erratic, or D, elusive. आपको इसका opposite बताना है. So the opposite of evanescent is eternal. Our next question is, you have to find the opposite of the given word panegyric. Options are as follow: A, notable, B, criticism, C, fantasy, or D, grandeur. So the correct answer is option B, criticism. In this question, you have to find out the error. The sentence is, unless you don't obey your elders, you will not succeed in your life. So the correct answer is, इसमें आपको बताना है कि ये जो सेंटेंस है इसमें मैंने पार्ट ए, पार्ट बी, पार्ट सी एंड पार्ट डी बना रखे हैं. इसमें से किस सेंटेंस के पार्ट में आपको एरर दिखाई दे रहा है. सो द करेक्ट आंसर इज ऑप्शन ए. यहाँ पे एनलेस नहीं होना चाहिए था. ठीक है. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज, select the one which best expresses the same sentence in indirect or direct speech. The question is, instructor said, cadet, you must complete the circuit. Options are as follow. So the correct answer is option C, instructor ordered cadet to complete the circuit. Our next question is, mother said, Ravi, please bring some vegetables. Options are as follow. A, mother told Ravi that please bring her some vegetables. B, mother requested Ravi to bring her some vegetables. C, mother ordered Ravi to bring some vegetables. Or D, mother requested Ravi to please bring her some vegetables. So the correct answer is option B, mother requested Ravi to bring her some vegetables. Our next question is, choose the one which best expresses the meaning of the given word acquaint. Options are as follow. A, arouse, B, introduce, C, appoint, or D, acquire. So the correct answer is option B, introduce. Our next question is, choose the one which best expresses the meaning of the given word obstinate. Options are as follow. A, foolish, B, unyielding, C, unreasonable, or D, mischievous. So the correct answer is option B, unyielding. Obstinate का मतलब होता है unyielding. Our next question is, choose the one which best expresses the meaning of the given word judicious. Options are as follow. A, biased, B, sensible, C, exact, or D, honest. So the correct answer is Option C. Option B, sensible. Our next question is choose the one which is the opposite of the given word cumbersome. Options are as follow: A, heavy, B, convenient, C, smooth, or D, automatic. So the correct answer is option B, convenient. Our next question is choose the one which is the opposite of the given word apparent. Options are as follow: A, illegible, B, hidden, C, mysterious, or D, remote. So the correct answer is option B, hidden. Our next question is choose the opposite of the given word conceited. Options are as follow: A, proud, B, honest, C, modest, or D, modern. So the correct answer is option C, modest. Our next question is we have to select the opposite of the given word fetter. Options are as follow: A, restore, B, liberate, C, exonerate, or D, distract. So the correct answer is option B, liberate. Our next question is he died dash cancer. Options are as follow: A, of, B, from, C, of, or D, through. The correct answer is option A, of. Our next question is my father deals dash garments. Options are as follow: A, with, B, in, C, of, or D, for. So the correct answer is option B, in. So your deals in will be the answer. Our next question is he dash wants to succeed in life must be prepared to work hard. Options are as follow: A, whoever, B, whom, C, whose, or D, who. So the correct answer is option D, who. She works dash to make both ends meet. Options are as follow: A, hard, B, hardly, C, very hard, or D, much hard. So the correct answer is option A, hard. Our next question is based on finding the error. Question is hardly had I reached the exhibition where I learned about the major robbery. Options are as follow: A, बी, सी या डी में से आपको बताना है कि किस पार्ट में आपको एरर दिखाई दे रहा है, या फिर ऑप्शन डी जिसमें कोई भी एरर नहीं है. सो द करेक्ट आंसर इज ऑप्शन बी. यहाँ पर ऑप्शन बी किस इसलिए हुआ क्योंकि वेयर की जगह यहाँ पे होना चाहिए था वेन. ऐसा क्यों? क्योंकि हार्डली, बेयरली जैसे शब्द जो हैं उनके बाद हमेशा किससे वो फॉलोड अप होता है? वेन से. तो इन सारे शब्द के बाद कौन सा शब्द वर्ड आता है? वेन. ठीक है. Our next question is because of his indecisive nature, Mr. Bhushan has a reputation for. Options are as follow. So the correct answer is D, vacillation. Vacillation का मतलब होता है inability to take stand. Our next question is doctors are known for their illegible handwriting. Options are as follow: A, ineligible, B, eligible, C, incorrigible, or D, no improvement. So the correct answer is option D, no improvement. Our next question is he received many praises for his latest invention. ऑप्शंस आर एज फॉलो. इसमें आपको एरर बताना है कि कहाँ पे होगा. ठीक है. सो ऑप्शंस आर ए, ग्रेट मैनी प्रेसेस, बी, मच प्रेसेस, सी, टू मच प्रेसेस, और डी, नो इम्प्रूवमेंट. इसमें आपको बताना है कि क्या रिप्लेसमेंट होना चाहिए. ठीक है. इस क्वेश्चन में आपको रिसीव्ड मैनी प्रेसेस हाईलाइटेड था, इसको आपको ट्रांसफॉर्म करना है, इसको आपको रिप्लेस करना है. ठीक है. सो द करेक्ट आंसर इज ऑप्शन बी, मच प्रेस. क्योंकि प्रेस एक अनकाउंटेबल नाउन है तो इसीलिए यहाँ पे मैनी नहीं आएगा, मच आएगा. आवर नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज यू हैव टू फाइंड द करेक्टली स्पेल्ड वर्ड. द वर्ड इज क्वेश्चनेयर. So the correct spelling is option B, questionnaire. The next word is sacrilegious. So the correct spelling of sacrilegious is option B. Now let's move on to science section. Our first question is xylem formed by how many different kinds of elements? Option are as follow: A1, B3, C4 or D5. So the correct answer is option C, 4. Our next question is amount of residual volume in ml is. Options are as follow: A 1100 to 1200, B 11,000 to 1100, C 2500 to 3000 or D 500 ml. So the correct answer is option A 1100 to 1200 ml. Our next question is cranial bones are dash in number: A6, B8, C4 or D10. So the correct answer is option B, 8. Next question is satellite DNA is useful tool in. Options are as follow: A organ transplantation, B sex determination, C forensic science or D genetic engineering. So the correct answer is option C, forensic science. Our next question is algae have a cell wall made up of. Options are as follow: A cellulose, galactans and mannose or B hemicellulose, pectins and proteins, C pectin, cellulose and proteins or D cellulose, hemicellulose and pectins. The correct answer is option A cellulose, galactans and mannose. Our next question is during mitosis, endoplasmic reticulum and nucleolus begins to disappear at. Options are as follow: A late prophase, B early metaphase, C late metaphase or D early prophase. Correct answer is option A late prophase. Our next question is DNA or RNA segment tagged with a radioactive molecule is called. Options are as follow: A vector, B probe, C clone or D plasmid. The correct answer is option B probe. Our next question is the free living anaerobic nitrogen fixer is. Options are as follow. Correct answer is option B rhodospirillum, which is an anaerobic nitrogen fixer free living organism. Our next question is potato spindle tuber disease is caused by. Options are as follow: A virus, B viroids, C fungi or D bacteria. So the correct answer is option B viroids. Our next question is corpus luteum releases. Options are as follow: A estrogen, B progesterone, C estrogen and progesterone or D androgen. Correct answer is option C estrogen and progesterone. Our next question is the age of pyramid with broad base indicates. Options are as follow: A high percentage of young individuals, B low percentage of young individuals, C high percentage of old individuals or D low percentage of old individuals. So the correct answer is option A high percentage of young individuals. Our next question is thymosin hormone is secreted by. Options are as follow: A thyroid gland, B parathyroid gland, C thymus gland or D hypothalamus gland. The correct answer is option C thymus gland. Our next question is maltose gives rise to two molecules of dash on hydrolysis. Options are as follow: A fructose, B lactose, C glucose or D sucrose. The correct answer is option C, glucose. Our next question is the number of autosomes in human primary spermatocyte is, options are as follow: A 46, B 44, C 23 or D 22. So the correct answer is option B 44. Our next question is the most abundant molecule in cell is A water, B carbohydrate, C lipid or D protein. The correct answer is option A water. Our next question is what is meant by the term Darwin fitness? Options are as follow: A the ability to survive and reproduce, B high aggressiveness, C healthy appearance or D physical strength. The correct answer is option A the ability to survive and reproduce. Our next question is absence of one sex chromosome causes, options are as follow. So the correct answer is option A Turner syndrome. Our next question is which of the following vitamins help in absorption of calcium ion from intestine? Options are as follow: A vitamin A, B vitamin D, C vitamin C or D vitamin B. The correct answer is option B vitamin D. Our next question is somatostatin is A stimulates glucagon release while inhibits insulin release. Option B stimulate release of insulin and glucagon. C inhibits release of insulin and glucagon or D inhibits glucagon release while stimulate insulin release. The correct answer is option C inhibits release of insulin and glucagon. Our next question is presence of bundle sheath is a characteristic of A xerophytic plants, B members of grass family, C C4 plants or D C3 plants. The correct answer is option C C4 plants. Our next question is which of the following event occurs during G1 phase? Options are DNA replications, B growth and normal function of cell, C mutation or D fertilization. So the correct answer is option B growth and normal function of cell. Our next question is the stage during which cell decides to get specialized. Options are as follow: A S phase, B M phase, C G1 phase or D G2 phase. So the correct answer is option C G1 phase. Our next question is ADH deficiency causes. Options are as follow. The correct answer is option A diabetes insipidus. Our next question is subunits of ATS ribosomes are. Options are as follow: A 40S, B 60S, C both, A and B or D none of these. The correct answer is option C both A and B. Our next question is the stored food in animals is called A cellulose, B starch, C glucose or D glycogen. The correct answer is option D glycogen. Our next question is the cellular respiration first takes place in the. Options are as follow: A cytoplasm, B Golgi bodies, C endoplasmic reticulum or D lysosomes. The correct answer is option A cytoplasm. Our next question is which of the following substrate is used in the formation of alcohol? Options are as follow: A sucrose, B glucose, C galactose or D fructose. So the correct answer is option A sucrose. Our next question is rabies is caused by options are as follow: A virus, B bacteria, C protozoa, or D all of these. The correct answer is option A virus. Our next question is tuberculosis is caused by options are as follow. The correct answer is option B Mycobacterium tuberculosis. Our next question is which of the following provides nutrition to sperms? Options are as follow. So the correct answer is option C Sertoli cells. Our next question is sphagnum belongs to options are as follow: A bryophyta, B pteridophyta, C gymnosperm, or D angiosperm. The correct answer is option A bryophyta. Our next question is fungi differ from slime molds by lacking of options are as follow: A flagellated spores, B ascospores, C basidiospores, or D zygospores. So the correct answer is option A flagellated spores. Our next question is which one of the following does not belong to kingdom Monera? Options are as follow: A mycoplasma plasm, B archaebacteria, C slime mold, or D eubacteria. So the correct answer is option C slime mold. Our next question is which of the following is not a plastid? Options are as follow: A mytoplast, B chromoplast, C chloroplast, or D leucoplast. So the correct answer is option A mytoplast. Our next question is one of these is associated with terminator codon. Options are as follow: A AGG, B UAA, C UUA, or D AUG. So the correct answer is option B UAA. Our next question is which of the following is best suited for codominance? Options are as follow: A both are recessive, B both are dominant, C one is recessive, and D one is dominance. So the correct answer is option B both are dominant. Our next question is the substance which is metal ion for the normal functioning of enzyme is called. Options are as follow: A cofactor, B coenzyme, C holoenzyme, or D none of these. So the correct answer is option A cofactor. Next question is which of the following enzyme helps in digesting protein in stomach? Options are as follow: A trypsin, B pepsin, C ptyalin, or D renin. So the correct answer is option B pepsin. Our next question is if the radius of curvature of a concave mirror is 20 cm, its focal length is. Options are as follow: first 10 cm, second 20 cm, third 40 cm, or fourth 80 cm. So the correct answer is option first 10 cm. Our next question is pressure inside a liquid increases with. Options are as follow: first decrease in depth, second decreases in density, third increases in depth, or fourth none of the above. So the correct answer is option 3 increases in depth, increases the pressure inside a liquid. Our next question is when a boy doubles his speed, his kinetic energy becomes. Options are as follow: first half, second double, third 4 times, or fourth no change. So the correct answer is option 3 4 times. Our next question is a person is standing in an elevator. In which situation he finds his weight less? Options are as follow: A when the elevator moves upward with constant acceleration, B when the elevator moves downward with constant acceleration, C when the elevator moves upward with uniform velocity, or D when the elevator moves downward with uniform velocity. So the correct answer is option B when the elevator moves downward with constant acceleration. Our next question is, when a ray of light enters a glass slab, then options are as follow. Its frequency and wavelength changes. Option B, its frequency doesn't change. Option C, only frequency changes. Or option D, its frequency and velocity changes. So the correct answer is option B, its frequency doesn't change. Our next question is, Dettol is the mixture of, options are as follow. The correct answer is option B, chloroxylenol and terpenol. Next question is, of which of the following is classified as polyester polymer? Options are as follow. A, terylene, B, bakelite, C, melamine, or D, nylon 66. So the correct answer is option A, terylene. Next question is, which one is responsible for production of energy in bioreaction? Options are as follow. A, thyroxine, B, adrenaline, C, estrogen, or D, progesterone. So the correct answer is option A, thyroxine. Our next question is, magnesium is present in, options are as follow. A, chlorophyll, B, hemoglobin, C, vitamin D, or D, vitamin B. So the correct answer is option A, chlorophyll. Our next question is, which of the following is the sweetest sugar? Options are as follow. A, fructose, B, glucose, C, sucrose, or D, maltose. So the correct answer is option A, fructose. Our next question is, viruses which infect animals have, options are as follow. A, single-stranded RNA, B, double-stranded RNA, C, double-stranded DNA, or D, any of the above. So the correct answer is option D, any of the above. Our next question is, bacteriophage generally have, options are as follow. A, single-stranded RNA, B, double-stranded RNA, C, double-stranded DNA, or D, any of the above. So the correct answer is option C, double-stranded DNA. Now let's start our GK portion. Our first question is, which one of the following pass was reopened in 2006 to facilitate the trade between India and China? Options are as follow. A, Jara La Pass, B, Nathula Pass, C, Bara Lacha Pass, or D, Shipki La Pass. The correct answer is option B, Nathula Pass. Our next question is, what is the term used for a narrow strip of land that connects two larger land masses and separates two bodies of water? Options are as follow. A, cape, B, peninsula, C, isthmus, or D, strait. The correct answer is option C, isthmus. Our next question is, which of the following is the boundary used to separate the Earth's atmosphere from the outer space? Options are as follow. A, space line, B, Durand line, C, Venus line, or D, Karman line. So the correct answer is option D, Karman line. Is Saddle Peak, which is the highest peak of the archipelago in Bay of Bengal, is located in, options are as follow. A, Middle Andaman, B, Little Andaman, C, Northern Andaman, or D, Great Nicobar. So the correct answer is option C, Northern Andaman. Our next question is, the Challenger Deep, which is the deepest known point in Earth's ocean, is situated in, options are as follow. A, Mariana Trench, B, Kuri Trench, C, Bentley's Subglacial Trench, or D, Tonga Kermadec Trench. So the correct answer is option A, Mariana Trench. Our next question is, India shares the longest international boundary with which of the following country? Options are as follow. A, Pakistan, B, China, C, Bhutan, or D, Bangladesh. So the correct answer is option D, Bangladesh. Our next question is, Abel Prize for Mathematics is presented by the king of which country? Options are as follow. A, Sweden, B, Norway, C. United Kingdom, or D. Israel? So the correct answer is option B. Norway. Our next question is, which of these is not a left bank tributaries of Brahmaputra? Options are as follow. The correct answer is option C. Subansiri. Next question is, which of the following resources is renewable one? Options are as follow. First, uranium. Second, coal. Third, timber. Or fourth, natural gas. So the correct answer is option 3, timber. Our next question is, which Indian wrote the famous book The Idea of Justice and Development as Freedom? Options are as follow. A. Varghese Kurian, B. M.S. Swaminathan, C. V.S. Naipaul, and D. Amartya Sen. So the correct answer is option D, Amartya Sen. Our next question is, who was the first Chief Election Commissioner of India? Options are as follow. A. H.J. Kania, B. G.V. Mavlankar, C. Sukumar Sen, and D. Pinaki Chandra Ghosh. So the correct answer is option C, Sukumar Sen. Our next question is, in the presence of which of the following does the Vice President takes oath? Options are as follow. A. President, B. Lok Sabha Speaker, C. Chief Justice of India, or D. Attorney General. So the correct answer is option A, President. Our next question is, Indian citizenship is granted by, options are as follow. A. The President of India, B. The Prime Minister, C. The Ministry of Home Affairs, or D. The Ministry of External Affairs. So the correct answer is option C, the Ministry of Home Affairs. Our next question is, the largest solar power project at a high altitude in India has been set up at which place? Options are as follow. A. Leh, B. Manali, C. Jammu, and D. Dehradun. So the correct answer is option A, Leh. Our next question is, which country will host the 50th G20 summit? Options are as follow. A. Japan, B. Saudi Arabia, C. Mexico, or D. Germany. So the correct answer is option B, Saudi Arabia. Our next question is, Simbex 20 is a bilateral maritime exercise between India and which country? Options are as follow. So the correct answer is option B, Singapore. Our next question is, which is the highest waterfall in the world? Options are as follow. So the correct answer is option C, Angel Falls. Our next question is, who was the first Param Veer Chakra winner of India? Options are as follow. So the correct answer is option A, Major Somnath Sharma. Our next question is, which is the longest west flowing river in India? Options are as follow. So the correct answer is option B, Narmada. Our next question is, which of these is the other name of Greater Himalayas? Options are as follow. The correct answer is option D, Himadri. Our next question is, which of these is not a Trans-Himalayan mountain range? Options are as follow. So the correct answer is option B, Pir Panjal. Our next question is, Rabindranath Tagore renounced his knighthood for which reason? Options are as follow. So the correct answer is option A, Jallianwala Bagh tragedy. Our next question is, the ratio of width of our national flag to its length is? Options are as follow. The correct answer is option B, that is 2:3. Our next question is, BrahMos is a? Options are as follow. So the correct answer is option C, supersonic missile. Our next question is, which of the following award is given to a sports coach? Options are as follow. गाइस ये वाला क्वेश्चन एमएनएस में आ रखा है, तो इसका आंसर हो जाएगा ऑप्शन सी, द्रोणाचार्य अवार्ड. Our next question is, Irani Trophy is associated with which of the following games? Options are as follow. The correct answer is option C, cricket. Our next question is, India started its 5-year planning which came into effect from the year. Options are as follow. The correct answer is option B, 1951. Our next question is, which one of the following is the highest peak in Western Ghats and South India? Options are as follow. So the correct answer is option B, Anamudi Peak. Our next question is, which one of the following regions of India is now regarded as an ecological hotspot? Options are as follow. A, Eastern Ghats, B, Eastern Himalayas, C, Western Ghats, or D, Western Himalayas. So the correct answer is option C, Western Ghats. So the correct answer is option B, that is 2:3. Our next question is, BrahMos is a, options are as follow. So the correct answer is option C, supersonic missile. Our next question is, which of the following award is given to a sports coach? Options are as follow. गाइस ये वाला क्वेश्चन एमएनएस में आ रखा है, तो इसका आंसर हो जाएगा ऑप्शन सी, द्रोणाचार्य अवार्ड. Our next question is, Irani Trophy is associated with which of the following games? Options are as follow. The correct answer is option C, cricket. Our next question is, India started its 5-year planning which came into effect from the year. Options are as follow. The correct answer is option B, 1951. Our next question is, which one of the following is the highest peak in Western Ghats and South India? Options are as follow. So the correct answer is option B, Anamudi Peak. Our next question is, which one of the following regions of India is now regarded as an ecological hotspot? Options are as follow. A, Eastern Ghats, B, Eastern Himalayas, C, Western Ghats, or D, Western Himalayas. So the correct answer is option C, Western Ghats. So the correct answer is option B, that is 2:3. Our next question is, BrahMos is a, options are as follow. So the correct answer is option C, supersonic missile. Our next question is, which of the following award is given to a sports coach? Options are as follow. गाइस ये वाला क्वेश्चन एमएनएस में आ रखा है, तो इसका आंसर हो जाएगा ऑप्शन सी, द्रोणाचार्य अवार्ड. Our next question is, Irani Trophy is associated with which of the following games? Options are as follow. The correct answer is option C, cricket. Our next question is, India started its 5-year planning which came into effect from the year. Options are as follow. The correct answer is option B, 1951. Our next question is, which one of the following is the highest peak in Western Ghats and South India? Options are as follow. So the correct answer is option B, Anamudi Peak. Our next question is, which one of the following regions of India is now regarded as an ecological hotspot? Options are as follow. A, Eastern Ghats, B, Eastern Himalayas, C, Western Ghats, or D, Western Himalayas. So the correct answer is option C, Western Ghats. Our next question is, 30 Uralipara Hill, which has been given the status of biodiversity heritage site is located in which state? Options are as follow. A. Andhra Pradesh, B. Odisha, C. Telangana, or D. Kerala. So the correct answer is option D, Kerala. Our next question is Barak nuclear power plant, which is in the news recently, is located in which country? Options are as follow. So the correct answer is option B, UAE. Our next question is which architecture style will be followed in building Ayodhya's Ram temple? Options are as follow. So the correct answer is option B, Nagar architecture style will be used for building Ayodhya's Ram temple. Our next question is the Indian Railways is constructing the world's tallest pier bridge across which river in Manipur? Options are as follow. The correct answer is option A, River Ijai. Our next question is who is the author of the book Insomnia Army Stories? Options are as follow. The correct answer is option A, Rachna Rawat. Sorry, it's Rachna Bisht. Question is where is the headquarters of IMF? Options are as follow. So the correct answer is option D, Washington DC. Our next question is who is the chairman of World Bank? Options are as follow. So the correct answer is option A, David Malpass. Next question is SAARC is headquartered in. Options are as follow. A, Kathmandu, B, Abu Dhabi, C, Bangkok, or D, Osaka. The correct answer is option A, Kathmandu. Our next question is who among the following returns his Padma Vibhushan Award in solidarity with farmers protesting against farm laws? Options are as follow. The correct answer is option B, Sukhdev Singh. Our next question is which country is the host nation for the SCO Summit 2020? Options are A, India, B, China, C, Russia, or D, Pakistan. Correct answer is option A, India. Our next question is Suryadhar Lake has recently been inaugurated in which city? Options are as follow. A, Dehradun, B, Shimla, C, Bhopal, or D, Varanasi. Correct answer is option A, Dehradun. Our next question is which Indian Prime Minister is also known as the Man of Peace? Options are as follow. A, Atal Bihari Vajpayee, B, Narendra Modi, C, Jawaharlal Nehru, or D, Lal Bahadur Shastri. So the correct answer is option D, Lal Bahadur Shastri. Our next question is name the cyclonic storms which has hit the southern west region of the Bay of Bengal just weeks after it was hit by Cyclone Nivar. The correct answer is option B, Burevi cyclone. Our next question is when is the Navy Day observed in India? Options are as follow. So the correct answer is option B, 4 December. Our next question is which nation has pledged to make its public sector carbon neutral by 2025? Options are as follow. The correct answer is option C, New Zealand. Our next question is world's largest pink diamond mine, Argyle mine, in which country? Options are as follow. So the correct answer is option B, Australia. Our next question is which is the national game of Australia? Options are as follow. So the correct answer is option B, cricket. Our next question is who has become the first batsman to hit 1000 sixes in T20 cricket? Options are as follow. So the correct answer is option A, Chris Gayle. Our next question is the Ramsar Convention came into force in which year? Options are as follow. So the correct answer is option C, 1975. Our next question is Saudi Arabia was the chair of the 2020 G20 summit held in November 2020. The event was which edition of the annual summit? Options are as follow. So the correct answer is option A, 15th. Our next question is, name the winner of 2020 Booker Prize for Fiction. Options are as follow. The correct answer is option A, Douglas Stewart. Atal Tunnel is the world's longest highway tunnel, about 10,000 feet. The tunnel was recently dedicated to the nation by PM Modi in which state? Options are as follow. So the correct answer is option D, Himachal Pradesh. Our next question is based on reasoning. Our first question is, what will come in place of question mark in the following series? Our first series is 6, 16, 34, 62, 102. The options are as follow. ये जो आपको सीरीज दी गई है, आपको बताना है कि 102 के बाद कौन सा नंबर आएगा, ठीक है। और आपको ये ऑप्शंस दे रखे हैं, इन चारों में से कोई होगा आंसर, ठीक है। ये देखो 156, 132, 136 एंड 142 में से ही कोई आंसर होगा। So the correct answer is option A, 156. Our next series is 43, 47, 56, 81, 130 and next. So आपको नेक्स्ट वाला बताना है कि क्या होगा नेक्स्ट नंबर। ऑप्शंस आर एज फॉलो, 215, 251, 289 या 231 में से कौन सा आंसर होगा। सो द करेक्ट आंसर इज ऑप्शन बी, 251। थैंक यू सो मच गाइस। अगर आपको कोई भी डाउट है तो आप प्लीज़ कमेंट सेक्शन में बता देना और अपने मार्क्स भी कमेंट सेक्शन में लिख देना, ठीक है। और प्लीज़ इस वीडियो को लाइक करना, शेयर करना, सब्सक्राइब कर दो हमारे चैनल को अगर आपको हमारी ये वीडियो पसंद आई।